Alright, this is Steve Sable, and we're here in Walmart's bike section, and we're gonna look at these bikes and we're gonna figure out for which ones do the sprocket adapters actually fit. Okay, this is gonna be a nice educational lesson. Okay, so I brought two sprocket adapters. I have a 1-inch here and a 1.5-inch here, and these are the two most popular ones that I could find on Amazon. So hopefully we find something that just fits one of these two. Okay, I'm looking around and automatically I'm like disqualifying a whole bunch of bikes. They have a disc brake, but I see this Huffy mountain bike, 26-inch. It doesn't have a disc brake, so let's go ahead and see if that fits. Okay, this looks like a 1-inch, and it's got I put half of it on already, and it's nice and snug, so I think this will work. Alright, I put it on. It is perfect for the 1-inch sprocket adapter. Once again, this is the 26-inch Nighthawk Huffy. Let's see what the price is. Okay, once again, this is the Huffy Nighthawk men's, and it sells for $124. Okay, it looks like the 1-inch sprocket adapter also works on the Roadmaster, which I think is selling for around $100. Okay, the Mongoose, the Mongoose Hotshot, the 1-inch hub adapter fits nice and snug on the rear there. So this would be a good candidate for you. Also, it's got a nice, it's just a dope bike. You know what I mean? It's the orange and black, which is fucking dope. Alright, now my bike of choice I think would be great for a motorized bike is this Schwinn Sidewinder. It's got a front disc brake, it's got a back solid V-brake here, and it appears that the 1-inch sprocket adapter could fit nice and snug on here, with plenty of room around here for the actual sprocket. So I think this would be a great bike for a motorized bike build. Also, this dope Schwinn, the 1-inch hub adapter will go on here, and this thing is dope. I mean, look at these handlebars. Yeah, I bought the Brookline, baby.